on, Todd Shaw, the Sawdust Dude. You know, these Carpenter pencils, I love them. And but you know, for years and years, you know, you would take your knife and you like sharpen them up, and you're sitting there whittling on the end of this thing. Hello, say hello to my little friend. This is a pencil sharpener for Carpenter pencils, and it just obviously it's a pencil sharpener, and so it goes in there like that, and so it knocks off those hard edges and sharpens your pencil real well. And this is a cobalt product, and so they even got a little, if you want to put a fine tip on there just like that, they even got that little thing there, got a little string, you can hook it to your table saw. So here we go, pro tip, Carpenter's pencil sharpener. There you go, look at the link below, I'll tell you how to get it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. Thanks, see ya. No wire hangers! Is it rolling?
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on? Todd Shaw, the Sawdust Dude. You know, it's all about staying organized, whether it's your work van or your workshop. Hey, here's a little cool tip that I learned from some guys years ago. For your caulk, there's nothing worse than having caulk rolling around your work van. Just take little pieces of PVC, and they are about 6 inches long. Do like a 30-degree cut on it, a little bevel cut, which I did on my miter saw. Works out great. Pop a screw here, pop all the way through. The screw goes all the way through this way. That way, the caulk doesn't fall through. So run these screws. These are just decking screws that go all the way through. Screw on the top. That's why you do the bevel cut, so you can do that. Also use some scrap wood for my framing square. Little piece off of a deadbolt. That's a little rat rotting for you. But anyway, hey, thanks for watching the Sawdust Dude. I'll see you real soon. Hey, you ever seen these things advertised in like the big box stores or on TV or call now? And you know, they're pro straps or moving straps. And these things, I'll tell you, I've had them for about 4 years. Everybody have said the same thing every time. Like, this thing's really work. Well, check this out. You kind of put them up, and I even put them up kind of high by my elbows. We can put it around the end of the log, and then boom, just like deadlift straight up. Yeah, brother. You gotta check these things out because they are so awesome.
What was that? No regrets.
No regrets, man. Oh man, you just deviated my septums. Hey, what's going on, Todd Shaw, the Sawdust Dude? What's going on? Welcome back for another pro tip. Hey, what do you do with all your sandpaper dish thingamajiggers? They call it hook and loop because you can't say Velcro. Hook and loop. Hey, this is what a great storage. You got some dowels laying around. This one's about 3/8, but make sure that that it fits in the holes real well. Because I've got different sizes up here. That's cause I just whatever's laying around the shop. Put this on the board, kind of trace it out, drill you 2 holes, stick it in there, and all of a sudden, look, you got a place to store all your sandpaper. And just write down the different sizes. Now this is technical and this is high-tech kind of stuff, but you know what? Hey, it works. So boom. And that way they stay up there. I got this in my shop. I also have it in my work van, and that's a cool pro tip. Hey, subscribe, join, like. Let me hear from you. Thanks for watching the Sawdust Dude. Because I'm telling you right now, hey, what's going on? Todd Shaw with the Sawdust Dude. Another pro tip. You know, one of the things that you'll never hear a carpenter or woodworker say is, I have too many wood clamps. Right. Hey, but you know what? One of the great things is, where do you store all your clamps? Well, we're over in the dark side of my shop, but kind of out of the way. And this is just something I had rigged up for all my woodworking clamps, small, medium, even some of the large ones around that you can't see. But we just take a scrap pieces of wood and you just kind of make a T like that. Screw this to the wall, all of a sudden, boom, you got a place to store your wood clamps. Out of the way, ready to use. Here we go, back in business, making money. Yeah, show me the money. Thanks for watching the Sawdust Dude. Like, subscribe, let me hear from you. I'll see you real soon. Ooh, Sawdust Dude. Boy, don't make me come after you. I'll tell you about it.